Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mr. Kovalt, and in this video I'm going to be going over the Arrhenius definition of acids and bases. So these definitions came from savant Arrhenius in the 1880s, and according to Arrhenius, an acid is a substance that produces H plus ions in aqueous solution. And a base is a substance that produces OH minus ions or hydroxide ions in aqueous solutions. So here's an example. This is according to the Arrhenius definition. This would be an acid because when you put the HCl into water, it will then come apart and form ions. And so, one thing to know about the acids, a lot of these acids are molecular acids, they're molecular compounds. So, these are not ions, but when you put them in water and they dissolve, they're going to come apart and form ions, such as what you see here with hydrochloric acid. So, this is a molecule, which these are the hydrogen is bonded to the chlorine to form a molecule. It's a covalent bond between there. But when you put it in water, the hydrogen and the chlorine will separate to form the ions. So you get ions when they go into water. So when we talk about this, we use the words ionize. So the HCl will ionize in water to form ions. Okay. So what happens when you form ions? Well, this H plus is highly reactive. So this H plus will not exist in water as H plus. So what happens is because the H plus ion is very reactive, it's going to react with the water that's present in the solution, and it's going to form what is called the hydronium ion. So the H plus is going to bind with the lone pairs. So you have lone pairs here. So it's going to be attracted to those lone pairs, bind with the water, and you see this H3O plus. So you get the hydronium ion. So that's what's formed in water. So all of the H plus is actually in the form of the hydronium ion. However, when we write our formulas and we write our equations, a lot of times we'll use H plus instead of H3O plus. We use that interchangeably quite a bit. Um, so, so HCl would be an acid according to the Arrhenius definition because it produces H plus ions when you put it in solution. Okay. Same for this base. So sodium hydroxide is a base according to the definition because when you put it in water and you form an aqueous solution, the OH minus is produced here. So in this case, your base is indeed an ionic substance. So these are ions that are held together by the electrostatic interaction, the attractive forces between the positive sodium and the negative hydroxide ion. So you're not forming ions here. They are there. You're just splitting them apart or dissociating them. So in this reaction, we would use the word dissociate. So the ions are dissociating to separate in water. So you'd have the sodium ion separated from the hydroxide ion. So this is producing the hydroxide ion when you put it in water. So that fits the definition of Arrhenius definition of a base. And so, also according to the Arrhenius definition of bases and acids, when you put them together, they form water. So that is part of the definition. So if you have an acid, that's going to form H plus, and if you have a base, that's going to form OH minus. You put that together, you form water. And so, according to the Arrhenius definition, acids and bases react to form water. This is one of the products that is formed according to his definition of acid and base. Okay, there are other definitions of acids and bases that we will get to in later videos, but I hope this was helpful to understanding the Arrhenius definition of an acid and base. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell up there so you can be notified by other videos that I put out. Put a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. And if you have any questions you would like me to answer. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.